Apex 2013 has enhanced support for SolidWorks configurations when modeling your optical systems. Let's take a look at how this works on an assembly with two configurations. Apex now has the ability to specify either the current or all configurations when assigning optical properties to SolidWorks geometry. You can specify the configuration when adding optical properties. The optical properties that support this include media, coatings, scatter and roughness models, emitting objects, ray splitting, and Fresnel. As an example, I may want to apply an absorbing coating to the inner baffle surface of all the different configurations. What I'll do after I've selected the surface I'm interested in is I'll right-click and add optical properties, coating, and I'll select the coating, in this case a perfectly absorbing coating. What's new for Apex 2013 is this switch, which allows you to either add to all configurations or, if turned on, only this configuration. In this case, I want to add it to all configurations, so I'll turn this switch off and say OK. As you can see in the tree, we now have a perfectly absorbing coating added to face 1. Now let's verify that this is also in the other configuration. I'll do that by going to the SolidWorks Configuration Manager, activating Configuration 2, and back to the Optics Manager to verify that the main baffle's face 2 has the perfectly absorbing coating added to it. Now let's take a look at how to apply optical properties to the individual configurations. In this case, I'm going to apply a reflective coating to the primary mirror. For this configuration, I'm going to apply an ideal perfectly reflecting coating. But this time, I'm going to apply this perfectly reflecting coating to this configuration only by activating this switch. I'll say OK. Now you can see that the perfectly reflecting coating is attached to the primary mirror. Now let's verify that in the other configuration, I'll activate this. In the other configuration, the primary mirror does not have that perfectly reflective coating. So in this configuration, I'll apply a different coating. In this case, a 98% reflective coating. Once again, I'll select this configuration only to make sure that this is applied only in this configuration. And now we can see our reflective coating applied. Changes and edits to the optical properties are made accordingly. If you edit a property that's been applied to this configuration, any changes that you make are only in that configuration. If you edit a property that's been applied to all configurations, then that change will be propagated to all the configurations. When you delete an optical property, it deletes always from the current configuration. If you create a new configuration, the new configuration inherits all the properties of the currently active configuration. In this case, it would be the default configuration. As you can see, the new configuration has all of the same optical properties as the configuration that was active when it was created. So that's a quick overview of the Apex 2013 enhanced configuration support that allows you to create and interact with individual or multiple configurations.